This cultivator's 3 sets of detachable tines provide exceptional versatility, allowing you to easily switch between weeding, aerating, and tilling your garden soil. The robust 6.5-inch metal tines are cleverly designed to be self-cleaning, which significantly reduces the time spent on tool maintenance after a long day of work. Its impressive 60-inch handle length is a standout feature, virtually eliminating the need to bend over and thereby saving your back from unnecessary strain. The specially designed ComfortGEL grip on the angled handle ensures superior comfort and control, minimizing fatigue in your hands and shoulders during prolonged use. Built for durability, this tool effortlessly breaks up hard, compacted soil, making it a reliable choice for preparing even the most challenging garden beds. This garden cultivator simplifies soil preparation by combining several functions into one efficient tool, making it an indispensable asset for any serious gardener.